What's going on, folks? I know you guys know both of these guys. And so today we're gonna take a look around the lawn and see all the things that JP's doing. How's that sound? So this is what I thought it was gonna be like hanging out with JP and Jeremy. We're gonna sit around, do a little mowing, talk about his grass, talk about his putting green, and look at all the roots and just see how awesome all this stuff is. Instead, JP had a better idea.
It sounds terrible. I think we should do something else.
Really?
Yeah.
Like what do you want to do?
Let's go have an adventure.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
I think this is better than my lawn.
Yeah, by a lot.
I mean, a little.
Maybe a little.
Not much.
This is awesome. So what are we looking at up there, JP?
This is Mineral Basin behind Snowbird, all right here.
Okay.
So we pretty much hit the end of the trail that we can come up. It's a pretty intense off-road trail, which comes up to some of the most gorgeous scenery in American Fork Canyon on this side. We got all this snow we're up in. I mean, this is crazy right now. It's gorgeous.
I know.
There is some grass here.
Yeah, there's some grass. We may have to bring the wheel up here.
Yeah, that's the thing. We all know this.